Hi folks, in this video we're going to talk about Google Scholar and how it's not nearly as efficient as just using Galileo off the bat. So we're going to use the same search terms that I used in my Galileo video. Okay, freedom of speech and higher education. So we can see that there's about 4 million search results. So we can do a custom range. I think we did, oops. And that's 17,000 results. So we can sort by date. And that brings us down to 99 results, but those are abstract. So that may be helpful. But if we look at everything, it is 37,000 results. And and I don't know why it wants to keep wanting to put higher ed. And so let's, so, okay, so we're at about 18,000 results if we do since 2020 and have this as our statement. Now, what about it? So we'll have to mess around with additional. Okay, that brought us down to 16,000 results. So these may or may not be helpful, but at the same time, we can't see. We have a lot that's probably going to be in another language. Quite a few that we won't be able to even look at. So using Galileo is a lot more efficient because if your search terms aren't right, you can always add and subtract them along with better filters and more specific filters. So let's try to use these in quotations. So Google. Okay, that produced 6 results, but they may or may not be what we need. So I might have made it too specific by using the quotes. So as you can see, we got to way more sources that were probably more relevant, a lot quicker than just kind of lost floating around in Galileo. So, when it comes to scholarly research, it's awesome. It's often just easier to go to Galileo first, and that way you can easily filter out what you don't have access to instead of scrolling pages and pages of things you may or may not have access to, or it doesn't separate books from journal articles. So if you only want journal articles, Google Scholar can't really separate out different search results for that. So that is all I got for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.